So in this question we have an electric field of 150 Newton per coulomb near the Earth's surface, and we have to find the acceleration experienced by an electron in such a field. So let's take our down to be negative and up to be positive. And we know that the electric field is always pointed towards the Earth's center unless otherwise specified. So E will be negative of 150 Newton per kilo, considering our Earth is, this is the surface of the Earth. Now, the electric force is given by the charge times the electric field, and force is also equal to mass times acceleration. So combining these two equations, we get mass times acceleration is equal to q times e, and this gives me acceleration is equal to q times electric field over mass. So for an electron, the acceleration of the electron in this electric field will be charge of the electron, which is negative of 1.602 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb times electric field over mass of the electron, and this gives me positive 2.6 into 10 to the power 13 meter per second square. Since this is positive, we can say the acceleration is pointed up, and this makes complete sense because our electric field is in the negative direction or downward towards the earth, and the charge is negative. So the acceleration experienced by the charge or by the electron should be in the opposite direction. So this is up. Now the next part of the question is to find the acceleration experienced by proton in the same electric field. So we can use the same equation as we derived here to find the acceleration experienced by the proton. So AP will be charge of the proton times electric field over mass of the proton, and this gives negative of 1.4 times 10 to the power 10 meter per second square. Since this value is negative, we can say the acceleration experienced by the proton is downwards or towards the center of the earth, just like the electric field given. Now, in the third part of the question, we have to find the ratio of each acceleration, that is the ratio of the acceleration of the electron and proton separately to the acceleration due to gravity. So for the electron, it will be AE over G, and this will be AE, this value, and G is the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meter per second square. So using these values in this equation, we get the ratio to be 2.7 times 10 to the power 12. Similarly, for a proton, the ratio will be acceleration of the proton over G, and this value is 1.5 times 10 to the power 9. So these are the ratios of the acceleration over gravity for the electron and proton.